Have you ever felt like your metabolism just slowed down out of nowhere? Maybe you're eating the same foods you ate years ago, but now the weight seems to creep up anyway. Or maybe you wake up tired even after a full night of sleep. You feel bloated, sluggish, and nothing you try, not diets, not workouts, seems to make a real difference. Here's the surprising part. The problem isn't your willpower, and it's not simply because you're getting older. A lot of this comes down to what's happening inside your cells. In today's video, we're breaking down why so many adults, especially after 30, feel like their metabolism is slowing down, and what you can do to naturally support your energy levels and overall well-being. And at the end, I'll share a free 7-day guide you can use to start supporting your daily energy naturally. Inside every cell in your body, there are tiny structures called mitochondria. Most people know them as the powerhouses of the cell, but that phrase barely explains how important they are. Your mitochondria create almost all the usable energy your body runs on. Every step you take, every thought you think, every time your body repairs tissue, digests food, or keeps you warm, your mitochondria are doing the work behind the scenes. So when your mitochondria begin to function less efficiently, your entire body can start to feel slower. That's when symptoms show up, such as slower metabolism, lower energy, difficulty maintaining weight, brain fog, waking up tired, slower recovery. These aren't random changes. They usually point to reduced cellular energy production. While mitochondria naturally become less efficient as we age, lifestyle has a huge influence, which means there are things you can do to support them. There are several common reasons why mitochondrial function may decrease over time, and none of them have anything to do with laziness or lack of discipline. Here are some of the biggest factors. 1. Chronic stress. Modern life keeps many people in a constant state of stress. Long-term stress can make your energy levels feel unstable. 2. Poor sleep quality. You can sleep 8 hours and still wake up exhausted if the quality of your sleep is low. 3. Sitting for long periods. Most people sit far more than they realize. Long hours of low movement reduce natural energy production. 4. Processed foods and low micronutrients. Mitochondria thrive on micronutrients. When most meals are processed or low in nutrients, energy production can feel slower. 5. Natural age-related changes. Mitochondria may become less efficient with age, but simple daily habits can support their performance at any stage of life. The important thing to remember is this: your energy isn't broken. Your cells may just need better conditions to function well. You may have seen the phrase, reset your metabolism, but the idea is often misunderstood. A real metabolism reset is not about starving yourself. It's not extreme workouts, and it definitely isn't about fast temporary fixes. A true reset means giving your body, especially your mitochondria, the environment and habits they need to create energy efficiently. When your cells are supported properly, people often notice more stable energy, less bloating, improved mood, better focus, a lighter overall feeling. There's nothing magical about it. It's simply your body functioning the way it's meant to. And the best part, supporting your metabolism doesn't need to be complicated. Here are 5 beginner-friendly habits that research consistently links to better energy and metabolic support. 1. Get natural morning light sunlight within the first hour of waking helps regulate your body's natural clock, which affects appetite, mood, and metabolism. 2. Drink water before caffeine. Your cells need hydration first. A glass or 2 of water in the morning can make your energy feel more stable. 3. Increase NEAT movement. NEAT stands for non-exercise activity thermogenesis. It's the small everyday movements we often overlook: walking more, standing up, stretching, and taking the stairs. These small habits can add up and help keep your energy systems active. 4. Choose more whole foods and protein. Whole foods give your body the nutrients it needs for cell repair and energy. Protein especially helps maintain stable energy and supports daily function. 5. Reduce ultra-processed snacks. You don't have to eliminate anything completely, but reducing ultra-processed foods can help your energy stay more consistent throughout the day. These habits are simple, approachable, and make a noticeable difference when practiced consistently. If you want a guided, beginner-friendly way to start supporting your metabolism, here's a quick preview of the 7-day reset I put together. Day 1, hydration focus. Day 2, morning light plus gentle mobility. Day 3, prioritizing protein. Day 4, improving sleep habits. Day 5, reducing processed snacks. Day 6, increasing daily movement. Day 7, adding mitochondrial-friendly foods. Each step is simple, and you can start even if you're busy or new to wellness routines. You can download the full guide for free using the link in the description. Feel unpredictable, you're definitely not alone. Many of these changes can be supported by making small adjustments to your daily habits, habits that help your body create and use energy more efficiently. If you want an easy place to start, you can download the free 7-day Mitochondria Reset Guide in the description below. Thanks for watching and take care of your body, because when you support your body, it supports you right back.